So it just so happened one of my buttons broke off, so I needed another button and I want it to be an exact match. You might not even have known, but down here on the bottom of the shirt, if you flip it over, there's 3 buttons. And you might wonder what these are for. These are actually for replacing buttons that's broken off on your shirt. So these will be an exact match of the buttons that are on here, and it'll fit perfectly. Now we can just take our scissors and carefully, without cutting the shirt, snip off the button. Just take your time and don't cut a hole in your shirt. There we go. We got the button. Now we're going to thread the needle, and it's very nice to have a sharp pair of scissors that you only use for fabrics, and those work great. Now you can carefully thread the needle, and there we go. We got the fabric through. Let's grab it. And there we got it. So there's a very easy way to make this knot. And all you have to do is double up the thread, wrap it around your finger a few times, and roll it off, and then pinch it and pull it. And when you do that, you have a nice knot right in there. So now we're gonna take that knot and put it on the back side of the shirt. I'll go in the holes, the original holes, pull it up through, and it stops right on the knot. Now just crisscross the threads through the button. So now you have to feel where that hole is and come up through the button and back down. So to knot the thread, what you're gonna do is just dip into the fabric a little bit and then pull it out and go through this hole here. And then pull it, and there we have a knot. So you want to tie a knot like that about 2 or 3 times so the button won't fall off again. So now you have all your knots tied. You can go ahead, snip off the fabric, and go ahead and button up the shirt. These smaller buttons are actually for here on the cuffs, right there. There's a button, now you know right where to find one, and they'll match perfectly. So next time you lose a button and you don't know how you're going to find a match, look right under here on the shirt and they'll match perfectly. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.